Hello guys, it's me Sanjay here. Welcome to Pantech Solutions and Way, and I warmly welcome you all for the series Machine Learning Masterclass Day 1. And in this Day 1, we are going to be covering up with the basic stuff about data science, data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, and what is the roadmap to become a data scientist. So likewise, you are going to learn lot more stuff in this today's session. And from the tomorrow session, we are going to start working with the hands-on. And another very important thing today is, so with the existing agenda, today we are going to have some bonus session for you. Okay, it is a little surprise. I'm going to be revealing it later. And before going on to the session, I would like to ask you one thing. Are you guys all excited? So if you are excited, you just post, I'm excited, Sanjay, in your live chat. And before going on to that, let us have some announcement because a lot of people used to post present, sir, present. Guys, please stop that. Okay, it is really looking like childish. Okay, don't post that. Okay, even though you are posting present, you are not going to be considered as like even president. Okay, so please listen to the announcement. Attendance link will be available at any time in between the live session. Guys, please note down this point. Attendance link will be available at any point in the time of live. So there will be some timing slots will be given. So within 1 hour or within 30 minutes, you need to fill the attendance form. So what is the main thing is, we are going to make you to attend the whole session because there are a lot of other surprise too. Another main thing, a minimum 23 days attendance required to free certificate. Yes, the people who are all attending in this 30 days live, you are going to get free like machine learning certificate as well, e-certificate. But if you really want to avail, you need to attend minimum of 23 days. And today's session is going to be around 90 or more than little 90 minutes because this is our first day. We are going to be covering up a lot more stuffs. And definitely, I can assure you guys, this session is not going to be like the session you guys have attended in your lockdown days, right? So it is not going to be like that. It is going to be super interactive. And Q&A, yes, it is going to be conducted at the end. You can ask whatever the question which you have. Don't ask it in the live. So ask it in the Q&A session. I'm going to be clearing your every doubts. And some days recordings live might be broadcasted. Okay, so let us go to that. So before that, let me welcome the people present here. Guys, please stop posting present. So first of all, here we have Odoi, Larte Benjamin. Super excited. Thank you so much. You are from West Africa. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Great to have you, sir. So thank you so much, guys. A lot of people. Are you guys all excited? So the people who are all posting excited, I'm going to address those people. So wonderful, Jabarani. And then Shreya, hi, good evening. Good to meet you again. And Agvi, I am present. Okay, so no, not the people. Okay, Izamar Creations, hi. Ujjwal Sinha, hi. And then Alok Kumar, hi. So hello guys, good evening everyone. So please stop posting. I'm present. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people have started posting excited. Kanak Saxina, Abdul Rahman, Muhammad Farhan, Subiksha, Jayesh Kumar, Pallavi, Lakshmi, Shweta, and Aishwarya. Wonderful, guys. Thank you so much. A lot of people are posting really fast. It is chats. You just look out the chats are really running very faster. So Sidhu Malli Reddy, hi, good evening. Thank you so much. And Jeremiah, hi. Anil Kumar, hi. Ajay Kumar, Gulam, Farid, Saurabh, Harsha, Vardhan, Happy Sony. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting, super excited. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into this event. Now, you may have some question. Why I need to stay till the end? Some people will think like only I'm getting certificate, that's enough. Guys, why you need to still stay till the end? The first thing, there is an amazing gift which is waiting for you. So at the end of the session, I'm going to be asking very simple 5 questions. So the people who are all answering, so from that, I'm going to get some people, and to that people, I'm going to give deep learning course absolutely free. Okay, deep learning course which is worth of 1,200 rupees, which we are now selling in that price. That course I'm going to be giving as for free. Okay, the people who are all answering, from that I'm going to give that some of the people. So that is the first reason you want to stay till the end. And second reason, bonus session. Yes, today I'm going to teach you how to create a chatbot. It is a super new session. It is not present in our agenda. This is also I'm going to give it to you as a bonus session at the end. So stay till the end. And third reason, PDF of this session. Today's sessions, materials and everything I'm going to be sharing for the people who are all going to stay till the end. So please stay till the end. And fourth reason, attendance. Attendance link will be available at any time in the live between the live session. So stay till the end and attend the whole session. and then projects in your resume. So today I'm going to be listing out some of the project which we are going to do on that upcoming series or in our courses. So I'm going to be listing around and I'm going to show some output to you, so to excite you to keep on connecting with me, so that you're going to put each and every project and you're going to build that and you're going to put it in your resume. Okay, and then mindset. So of course, finally we are going to have a very 10 minutes of mindset coaching program which is going to be helpful for to achieve what you really want in your life. Okay, so let us begin. So before that, I really want to share something to you guys. Thank you so much, guys. Some people posted big fan of your work. Who is that? Tech Talks. Thank you so much for posting that. Okay, so before going on to the session, I would like to share something with you guys. So what is that thing is, guys, something which we really want to get in our knowledge, because which is not taught in by school, which is not taught by your colleges, which is not taught in by your parents sometimes. So I really want to share this information to you guys. Even though you are a student, even though you are a school student, even though you are a college student, even though you are a faculty, even though you are a researcher, even though you are working in some other company, every people want to learn. Of course, right? We want to learn something. So on the time of learning, people used to face some of the problems. So problems such as, for an example, if I'm going to take this class for 24 hours, if I'm going to take this class for 12 hours, will you stay? Definitely you won't stay. Okay, so he is speaking a lot for more than 10 hours. I can't able to stay. So if there are more content, you won't learn, right? So that is the first reason. And second reason, if it is really hard to learn, if I'm using a lot of technical terms to teach you, definitely you won't learn. So if there is more and more content and if it is very difficult, definitely you won't learn. And if there are less application, for an example, even though you are completed some course and you can't even build the project by yourself, definitely you will be feeling boring and it is really waste, because if you are not building a project, just learning theory, you will be feeling very boring. So this is going to be your third reason. And fourth reason, if you are not, if you can't able to interact with your instructor. So I'm here, so you need to talk with me. So if there is no interaction between your instructor, you won't learn. That is going to be your fourth reason. And fifth reason, if the content is not precise, if it is like blah blah blah, etc., theory, you will be really getting bored, right? So I hope you all agree to this point. If you all agree to this point, you just post I agree, Sanjay, in your live chat, guys. So if there are more content, hard to learn, less application, not interactive, not precise, people won't learn. So that's why I'm telling you, this session is not gonna be like your like online session. It is gonna be really super cool, interactive, lot of value which is out there, and little bit fun. We are going to add it in the session, right? So I hope you all agree to this point. If you all agree to this point, these are all the problems in learning. You just post I agree, Sanjay, in your live chat, guys. And still now there are a lot of people used to say, Sanjay, problem is lack of information, guys. I'm telling you, problem is not a lack of information. Why? Because if you are typing artificial intelligence in a Google, so you just see here how many results we are getting under the title called artificial intelligence. You just see here, even though you want to learn machine learning or deep learning or AI or data science or data analytics in a Google or from YouTube, you used to get billions and billions of results. So that's why a problem is not a lack of information. The problem is, I'm going to be revealing that. So problem is not a lack of information. The problem is information overload. There are a lot of information and we really don't know where we need to learn. So what actually people need is a clear-cut, precise and focused implementation with clear mentorship. What does that mean? Guys, if you are going to learn something, you want to learn based on a project. So that you are also going to be excited. Your resume is also going to be added with a lot of project. So you won't get boring. You will build more project. You will get more confidence on learning some skills. So this is what you are going to get in this 30 days. Okay. So, and before that, it's my pleasure to give introduction about our organization, Pantech Solutions. It is not a normal company which is directly came into the coaching business. It is like we are having almost nearly like 17 years of experience as a product-based company. We used to manufacture more than 300 plus product, even though in some of the colleges you may see some of the electronics boards, which is logo named as like Pantech Solutions. So we used to manufacture a lot of products and we explore a lot of technologies like brain-computer interface technology, electronics, electrical, computer science, like application development, augmented and virtual reality, and AI. So a lot of category we guys have explored. And now we came into the process to transfer our knowledge to you via the Warriors Way coaching program. So that is where we are. We are going to give the coaching for skill set. We are going to give the coaching for mindset and money making coaching. So everything I'm going to be giving with you. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting that. I'm excited. I agree. Thank you so much, guys. Wonderful, wonderful. Guys, please don't post a present, sir. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for posting your responses in the live chat. Thank you so much. Okay, and yeah, it's me, myself, Sanjay. I'm working as a product manager in Pantech Solutions. I used to have experience in the technology, like technological expertise, which is about like, first of all, I started my career by working with brain-computer interface technology. And I hope you all know about the Elon Musk, right? So how many of you people really know about the Elon Musk? If you really know about the Elon Musk, you just post, I know Sanjay in your live chat, guys. So while talking about him, he is also working in brain-computer interface technology via the company called Neuralink. So that is where I started my career. First of all, I worked on that brain-computer interface technology. That is super cool, right? You can connect your brain with the computer and you can analyze your brain waves. That is what my first beginning of my career. And then I moved on to embedded system because I am completely coming from electronics and communication engineering. So I just used to work with microcontrollers and microprocessors. And Internet of Things, of course, we need to touch whenever you are using embedded systems nowadays. And data science and artificial intelligence, blockchain. So blockchain, I was like somewhat really good at that. And robotic operating system. So currently, I'm just working on autonomous robot design with the robotic operating system. Okay, so let us begin the session. Are you guys all excited? Okay, if you are ready, you just post I'm ready with some fire emojis, guys. You just post some fire emojis in the live chat to represent you guys already. Okay, so are you guys all ready, guys? Okay, if you are ready, you just post I'm super ready, Sanjay, in your live chat with some fire emojis. You just please post it in the live chat. Okay, so yes. So let us begin our journey towards learning AI, guys. Okay, thank you so much. It is really a lot of people are posting that. Syed, Gautam Singh, Raja, Ramya, Akila, Lennon, and Subhashini. I am ready. A lot of people are posting. There are a lot of ready why is there. It is really showing your like what is that? It is really showing your energy, how much energy you are to learn something new. So it is really great, guys. Wonderful. You are really enthusiastic towards learning something new. It is really super cool. Okay. So wonderful, guys. Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much for posting that. Okay, wait a moment. I'll just open my mind map. Okay, speak slowly. Okay, definitely I'll speak slow, guys. Okay, definitely I'll speak slow. Sorry about that. Very excited to learn. Thank you so much. It is really giving a lot of positivity in me to deliver as much knowledge I can. Okay, so yeah, so let us start our journey. So guys, while talking about this artificial intelligence and those stuff, you may have a lot of confusion with you. Sanjay, I really don't know. A lot of people are talking about data science. A lot of people are talking about data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, big data, data analysis. Sanjay, I really having confusion. What is this? What is the difference between machine learning and deep learning? Sanjay, what is the difference between data science and data analytics? Sanjay, what is the difference between the big data and data mining? Sanjay, what is the difference between, what is the relationship between AI and machine learning and deep learning? So if these kind of doubt which is running in your mind, you just post, I have this doubt, Sanjay, in your lecture, guys. So do you have these kind of doubt which is running in your mind? Okay, if this kind of doubts which is running in your mind, you just post, yes, Sanjay, it is running in my mind in your lecture, guys. Okay, because yes, lot of people are having this confusion, Sanjay. I don't know what is that. Lot of people are telling that machine learning, deep learning. I don't know what is the difference between, what is the relationship between that. So likewise, lot of people are having those kind of confusion to know about what is this AI, ML, DL, data science, data analytics, and what is the job roles you can apply for, and what is the roadmap to become a data scientist. So likewise, lot of doubt which is running in your mind, right? So if you have these, you just post yes, Sanjay, yes, and Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay. Give me some minute for me. I'm gonna be clearing those complete doubt which is running in your mind, guys. Okay. So can you speak slowly? Definitely, guys. Okay, that's what the acknowledgement is. Okay. I'm gonna be interacting with you. So definitely I'll go slow. Okay. So yes, for a lot of people, it is running in your mind. Guys, let us explore this. So first of all, I would like to show this picture to you. Just observe this picture first of all. Okay. So before going on to it, let us have further more interaction, guys. I hope you used to watch a lot of movies. You just simply tell me what are all the artificial intelligence movies which you guys have watched so far. You just tell those responses in the live chat. What are all the AI based movies which you guys have watched so far? You just give your responses in the live chat. Because we used to see a lot of AI in movies, right? Like Jarvis or like Internship, kind of lot of AI, right? So then iRobot, Ex Machina, and then what? There are a lot of movies, right? The Terminator. So while talking about that AI based robot, these are all going to be under the category of strong AI. So because under the AI there are two parts. One is strong AI, another one is a weak AI. Strong AI, which is suitable for every other application, it is going to learn or it is going to gain experience from each and every environment which is out there. So it is going to observe and it is going to do that. It is going to learn and it is going to do. So that is what strong AI is. Whereas the weak AI, the project which you used to work on for a single application, that is known as a weak AI. Okay, guys, do you really love my explanations? Okay, if you really love my explanation, you just post I love this Sanjay in your lecture, guys. So before that, yes, we are getting a lot of responses. Terminator by Sivanesh Sasi, Avenger by Anik, Interstellar, Terminator, wonderful guys, wonderful. Thank you so much. Iron Man, Bali, yes, wonderful movie, right? And yes, thank you so much, guys. Lot of responses. Ex Machina, yes, wonderful. Matrix, Iron Man, and then a free guy. Yes, yes, yes. It is a recent movie, I think. Wonderful, wonderful, guys. Wonderful. Thank you so much. A free guy. Explanation, super, sir. Thank you so much, Dasari, for posting that. Transcendence, wonderful. Spider-Man, Big Hero 6. Guys, there are a lot of movie lovers out there, right? Age of Ultron, wonderful. Robocop. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, Space Odyssey, wonderful. Super great, guys. You are really great. Knight Rider, okay. Wonderful, guys. Yeah. So, while talking about AI, just see the picture. There is an AI circle, okay, which is the majority one, which is here. And the machine learning is going to be the subset of the artificial intelligence. So, artificial intelligence, inside that AI, there is the machine learning ML, and inside that machine learning, there is a deep learning. Okay, so AI and then machine learning. Inside that machine learning, there is a deep learning. So deep learning is the subset of the machine learning. Machine learning is the subset of the AI. Understood? As same as like at the other hand, while talking about the data science, it majorly covers the data, but also it is going to include something from AI category, machine learning category, and deep learning category. Okay, and additionally, the big data is gonna have some relationship or some connection between these deep learning, AI, machine learning, of course, as the like a data science. Okay, I hope you really clearly understood from the picture, and from the picture, the major circle are data science. Inside the data science circle, there are data analytics. Inside the data analytics, there are the one circle called data mining. Okay, you can also become only a data miner, or you can also only become a data analyst. You can only become a deep learning engineer. You can also only become a machine learning engineer, or you can only become an AI engineer, or you can also become a data scientist. So likewise, this is all the relationship. I hope you really clearly understood about the picture. So AI, inside that AI, there is machine learning. Inside the machine learning, there is a deep learning. While talking about the data science is the majority, and inside the data science, there is data analytics, and then data analysis, and then data mining is inside that, and the whole thing which is gonna take some part from the AI circle as well. And big data is also going to take some data, some part from the AI circle as well as the data science circle. Okay, so this is what the relationship. I hope you guys have got clear idea about this relationship. If you are clear, you just post and clear Sanjay in your lecture, guys. Okay, so yeah, so are you clear? Okay, so definitely I'll speak slow, Subhash. I got that. So definitely I'll speak slow. Okay, so are you clear, guys? Okay, if you are clear, you just post and clear. Is it a recorded session? No, it is not a recorded session. I am live here, guys. Okay, guys, are you clear? Okay, if you are clear, you just post and clear Sanjay in your live chat. So this is what the AI, okay, AI relationship. But now let us go little bit into the AI. Guys, before going on to the AI, I hope you already told what is AI. So what are all the AI movies which you guys have watched before so far? Likewise, you guys have discussed a lot more stuff with me. Guys, while talking about the AI, so let me give some easy explanation by comparing with the human being. Guys, whenever I'm showing this object to you, so if I'm going to show this object to you, what you'll say? Sanjay, this is a mobile phone. Why you are asking a silly question, right? Because you guys have watched this mobile phone and you guys have watched a lot of models, lot more stuffs. Whereas if I'm going to show or I'm going to give the Nokia 010 kind of keypad mobile phones to the newborn kids nowadays, they'll just simply throw away, right? So I hope you all agree to this point. If you all agree, just post your comment in the live chat. So because they guys haven't used that keypad mobile phones, because nowadays even though you are giving that, they won't use that. They'll just throw away. They'll jump, just simply they'll ask for the high-end mobile phones, right? So if you're talking about that, if your age is 26 or if your age is 30, if your age is 40, you guys have watched lot of you guys have lot of knowledge. I'm not talking about the knowledge like programming knowledge, coding knowledge, or language knowledge. No, I'm talking about the general common knowledge, which is like recognizing the mobile phone, recognizing the water bottle. If I'm showing this one, you will tell this is a water bottle. If I'm showing this one, you will tell this is a mobile phone. So likewise, you will tell what is that. So you have that recognizing ability. For an example, you just imagine if someone cooking biryani nearby you, so you will suddenly recognize, okay, someone is cooking biryani, I need to eat a biryani, right? So these are the skills, like basic knowledge. Like it might be vision, like by seeing and recognizing. It might be a taste, it might be a smell, it might be sensing the climate from by inside in the room, because if you are feeling the chillness, you will recognize that, okay, it is raining outside. So this ability, so you just imagine, guys, you are going to transfer your knowledge to the robot, or you are going to create a robot. Guys, are you guys all with me? If you are with me, just post, I'm with you, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, so guys, you just imagine, for an example, Danushka is here. So Danushka is here. So Danushka want to create a robot like her. Okay. So if you are going to create a robot like here, like doing like cloning, so but you are going to create a robot like her, you have some knowledge and you have some experience, right? So if you really want to create an AI, you need to transfer your knowledge or your experience to a machine in the format of data. From the data, it is going to learn. Are you clear? Okay, I'm repeating this statement again. If you are going to create a robot like you, for an example, I'm Sanjay, I'm going to create a Sanjay bot. So how I used to walk, how I used to talk, how I used to do some activities. Likewise, I have some knowledge, I have some tail, I have something inside me for each and every people like. So I need to transfer my knowledge or my experience to a machine in the format of data. From the data, it is going to learn and it is going to act. So that is what the simple AI is. So that is what the AI. Okay, from the experience or from the knowledge, I'm going to convert that into a data and I'm going to give to the AI. And from the data, it is going to act and it is going to learn. Guys, let us compare with the human being. The first ability, human can analyze, identifying a pattern and making a decision. Guys, you just imagine one thing. You are really hungry. Okay, you hadn't any breakfast or anything. You are really hungry. You just post the emojis. For an example, if someone cooking something delicious, okay, if it might be a biryani, it might be some sweets, what is going to be your reaction? You just post your reactions in the live chat. Okay, so because you have that sensing ability, so if that is a rotten smell, you will go away. If it is a wonderful smell, you will think like, how can I eat that? How can I buy that? Right? You just post that emojis in the live chat. So human can analyze and identifying a pattern and making a decision. So you are identifying a pattern between the biryani smell and sweet smell and rotten egg smell, right? So likewise, you have that ability, right? So if you want to transfer this ability, you already have some sensory organs like your nose and your senses. So yes, there. Okay, like a Spider-Man movie, that hair is gonna be spiking out like this, Spidey sense. So yeah, so likewise, you have a sensory organ. So for robot, we can put up a sensor. So from the sensor, you are going to have a numerical data. So numerical or based on the data, so you're going to get any type of data. So the method such as, so now you are going to see the relations or the purpose. So you can use this machine learning or deep learning to use this data to make your or to transfer this ability to your robot. Okay. So I hope you're really loving this. Okay. So same as like, yeah, so that is what, if you want to transfer that ability like analyzing, identifying a pattern and making a decision ability, your data is going to be some numerical data. For an example, you can use the concepts such as machine learning and the deep learning to transfer that ability to a robot. Whereas that is the second ability. Human can listen and speak. Guys, you just tell me what is the common thing which we need to have for mutual communication. So if I'm speaking to you, you are going to give some responses. So what is the common thing which is necessary to have a mutual communication? That's my question. You just give your responses in the live chat. So human can listen and then speak. So yeah, for listening we have ears and for speaking we have mouth. Same as like for robot, we can put up a microphone or speaker. And instead of text data, we are gonna have text or audio data. So it might be a text for creating a chatbot or audio for like listening and speaking, for microphone and then speaker. And for this ability, if you want to transfer this ability to a robot, we need to use machine learning or deep learning with natural language processing. So you just understand this. So natural language and processing is the very important thing. So natural language processing, with the natural language processing, additionally, we can use machine learning or deep learning to transfer this listening and speaking ability to the robot. So that is what the necessary thing for NLP. And third ability, yes. So if I'm showing this, you will tell this is a mobile phone because you used to identify the shape, you used to identify this camera, so you used to identify the logo, you used to identify the structure, you used to identify the color. So with the help of that, you will identify this is a mobile phone. Same as like this is a water bottle. So humans having that seeing and recognizing ability. For we have eyes, and for robot we can put up a cameras, and the data is gonna be image or video data. And to use this ability or to transfer this ability to the robot, we need to have the concepts such as computer vision and deep learning. Okay, guys, do you really love this? Okay, if you really love my explanation, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. So guys, I'm repeating in a very dead flow. For analyzing, identifying a pattern and making a decision. For that, we need machine learning or deep learning. That is the one part. And for language processing, it might be a chatbot, it might be a voice assistant like Google Assistant, Siri, or you're going to create your own voice assistant. We need additionally NLP. Okay, with the existing machine learning and deep learning, we need additionally natural language processing. Same as like if you want to transfer that seeing and identify, recognizing that ability, we need the concepts such as like computer vision and deep learning especially. Okay, deep learning is really suitable for handling and images and videos. So for that, we are going to have computer vision. So I hope you understand computer vision for images. Don't forget that. Seeing and recognizing. And NLP for processing the language. Machine learning and deep learning for complete all purposes. Analyzing, identifying a pattern and making decision. It might be a numerical data. It might be a text data. It might be a audio or video data. It might be image data. So deep learning and machine learning is necessary. Okay, are you guys all super satisfied? Okay, if you are super satisfied, you just post I'm super satisfied Sanjay in your live chat. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting that I love this, I love this, love this, love this, love this. Thank you so much. Okay, so now let us have the steps. You may have some question running in your mind. Sanjay, what is the step if I want to start beginning with the AI? Sanjay, what are all the steps I need to follow to create an AI? Guys, first of all, I would like to explain one thing. So you are creating one robot. For an example, Shankar Rao is there. So Shankar Rao want to create a robot to identify mobile and then water bottle. So I have this my red color mobile phone and this water bottle is here. So Shankar Rao want to create a robot to identify this is a mobile and this is a water bottle. So likewise, Shankar want to create a robot. So if that is the task, what is the first step he want to do is he want to collect the data. Collecting a data in the sense, he want to collect 1,000 images of my mobile phone. So like in this angle, in this angle, in this angle, in this angle, in this angle. So on this each and every angle, I need to collect lot of images of mobile phone, like poor lightning, good lightning, bright lightning. So likewise, I need to collect lot of images of my mobile phone, like 1,000 images of mobile phone. Same as like 1,000 images of water bottle, like in this angle, in this angle, in this angle. You can also use other mobile phones models as well as you can also use other water bottle models or colors as well. So that is the first task. We need to collect as much data we can. That is the first task. And second task, data preparation. So data preparation, it might include transformation. So to convert that into a specific format, data cleaning. So removing the unwanted information. So that is what the second step, data preparation. And choosing a model. It might be a concept. So which concept you need to choose. For an example, if it is a text data, I'll go for NLP. If it is a numerical data, I'll go for normal machine learning. If it is text image data, I'll go for the computer vision. The concept you need to choose and algorithm you need to choose. So likewise, we need to choose that kind of models. And then we need to train the data and then we need to evaluate to see the performance of the model. Okay, so to see the performance of the model. So that is what we are going to see. And then we are going to tune the parameter to improve the accuracy. For an example, if you are getting 91% accuracy, if you really want to improve that, you can improve by tuning some of the parameter. Okay, so to improve the performance of the model. Okay, this is the reason. Okay, performance of the model. And then seventh point, which is like doing a prediction. This is what the seventh step, guys. Gathering a data preparation, choosing a model, training, evaluation, parameter tuning, and prediction. Guys, it might be asked in your interviews as well. So what is the process, how you will handle, and what are all the tuning parameters. Likewise, you may get a lot of interview questions. Okay, please don't forget this. Okay, are you clear? Okay, if you are clear, you just post I'm clear Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Highly interesting. Thank you so much for posting that. So I love it. Wonderful, 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 guys. Okay, if the screen is not clear, I think it is based on your resolution, guys. Please check your internet and please increase your resolution, guys. Okay, so it's really faster. I'm really sorry, guys. Definitely I'll go slow. Okay, are you clear, guys? Thank you so much, guys. So kind of you by seeing these responses. Okay, and please stay till the end so that you are going to create a chatbot today. Okay, don't miss that. So guys, clarity about the studies. Guys, you just imagine one thing. You are working in some BMW showroom. Okay, so BMW is having a lot of sales record in a certain branch. For an example, if you are working in Mumbai, some certain branch, you are working there, and you used to collect lot, you used to have a lot of data. As you are a data analyst, what you just want to do is you just want to collect the data. You just want to acquire the data. You need to transform the data. You need to clean the data and you need to do the data visualization. That is your task as a data analyst. Whereas if you are a machine learning engineer, with the data you have, you need to apply machine learning algorithm to do a prediction. Whereas deep learning, of course, so separately you can become a deep learning engineer, separately you can become a machine learning engineer, separately you can become a data analyst. But that is the main task. So if you are combining every task, you are a data scientist. For an example, you are acquiring the data from some sources, database skills, right? And you are doing data transformation and data cleaning. It might be Excel or some other tool skills. And then you are going to do the data visualization. So using Power BI or like business intelligence tools or Excel. And then you are also going to use machine learning or deep learning to give a final prediction. So if you are working from start to end, you being called as a data scientist. Because you are going to give the end solution. So this customer will buy this product or not. What is going to be our sales if you are going in this way? What is the predicted sales? What is the predicted tax amount which we need to pay for the next month? So likewise, you are going to do start to end. So that is the role of data scientist. Okay. So is it making sense to you? So if it is making sense, you just post it makes sense, Sanjay, in your live chat, guys. So yeah. So that is what it's all about. And before going for the job roles, let me give some roadmap. Sanjay, so a lot of questions is this. Sanjay, if I want to become a data scientist, because I want to work from start to end where I can earn a lot. So if that is the task, that is the need for you. Sanjay, what is the skills I need to get? So the first skill which you need to get is Excel. Is it a Microsoft Excel? Yes, because a lot of people used to think that Microsoft Excel, do I want to learn that? It is just a formula. No, there are a lot of things you can do with the help of Excel. A lot of automation you can do. So that is what you need to first of all learn, Excel. After that Excel, we need to go for the statistics. So how many of you people are remember your school days? You used to find study mean, median, variance, standard deviation. If you all remember that, you just post. I remember Sanjay in your lecture, guys. So that is what the statistics. Statistics is gonna be the backbone of the data science. So statistics we need to learn. Then programming. So while talking about the programming, there are a lot of other programming suggestions is also there. You can also learn Python or you can go for R programming. But while talking about the easy learning and deployment, this Python is gonna be really easy. So that's why my best suggestion to go for the Python programming. And after the programming, we need to go for the data visualization skills. How you are visualizing the data by using the specific charts. It's not only choosing simply randomly choosing pie chart, randomly choosing bar chart. No, there is having some strategies to get clear idea about the based on the data. So data visualization skills. And then NumPy and Pandas. These are all some of the libraries which you use to work on for handling the data. Numerical data, mathematical operations, or handling your data sets. For that, we need to get that skill. And business intelligence tools, which is there are a lot of BI tools are there, which is the most popular Tableau, Power BI. So these are all the skills we need to get under the BI tools category. And database skills. So database skills in the sense like MySQL, MongoDB. So likewise, we need to get that database skills. Okay, MongoDB. So these are the database skills. And then machine learning skills. And previously they won't ask for the deep learning, but nowadays they are asking for the deep learning as well. So these are the roadmap to become a data science guys. Guys, are you feeling really happy to be present on this event? Okay, if you are really feeling happy, you just post "I'm feeling happy, Sanjay" in your live chat, guys. Okay, are you feeling happy? Okay, if you are feeling happy, you just post "I'm happy, Sanjay" in your live chat, because are you feeling really the precise information? Because you just see here to become a data scientist, the skills such as Excel, statistics, programming, data visualization skills, NumPy and Pandas, business intelligence tools, database, machine learning, and deep learning. These are all the skills you need to master. And then you can apply for a lot of job roles. For an example, you just see here what are all the job roles. I really don't want to read this by wasting your time. So analyst manager, business analyst, statistician, machine learning engineer, data scientist, data analyst, data architect, data administrator. There are a lot of job roles which you can apply for. So these are all the roadmap to become a data scientist. And for the industry, so what they are asking, so data for the data preparation, you need to have these skills. And for number crunching, doing some statistical analysis. And this is the very important thing I really want to stop here. Storytelling. Yes, yes, guys. You will think, as a data scientist, do I want to get the storytelling skills? Yes, because even though you are good at prediction, even though you are good at that data visualization, you need to give the precise story, precise information, what they really want. So that's why we need to get these skills like creating a chart creation skills, storytelling skills, formatting skills, because the people used to apply 10 colors in the graph. It is really looking very very bust. So formatting skills is also needed, and presentation skills, visual designing skills, every skills is also needed. And asking question skills, you need to ask a lot of questions. For an example, if the company is facial product based company, you need to ask a question: do I need to include a gender? Of course we need to include a gender, because female is gonna contribute a lot on the facial product. So definitely we need to include the, based on that you need to understand the business, and based on that you need to start doing the data visualization, prediction, and everything. Yes guys, don't worry, this presentation, this PDF will be shared to you if you are staying till the end. Okay, so likewise you need to ask a question: why do you need, what should include, any exclusion, how to display. Likewise you need to ask a lot of questions. And technological skills like these tool skills like BI tools, Excel, so those skills. Okay guys, did you guys have got clear idea? Okay, if you guys have got clear idea, you just post "I'm happy, Sanjay" in your lecture, guys. Bro, you are, thank you so much, Nanda Gopal, thank you. There are a lot of people are posting very clear, very happy. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Okay, so now let us begin with the second part of the session, which is like machine learning. Are you guys all satisfied with the first part of the session, which we guys have covered up with data science? And don't worry about the ML and those stuff. Definitely, we are going to be learning very in detail. But now let us cover up with the machine learning. Okay, so I hope you all super satisfied with the first part of the session, only a few parts, and directly we are going to create a chatbot as a hands-on. Please ready for the hands-on, guys. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. A lot of people are posting that I'm happy. Wonderful, wonderful, guys. Okay, so let us learn about the machine learning, guys. Okay, so we are going to learn about the machine learning in detail. Okay, so so before going on for it, okay, so let me give some introduction to some internship which we used to provide. Guys, people used to learn something, right? So people have a lot of pain inside them. For an example, if you want to learn AI, so definitely there are some pain points like pricing. Yes, each and every course which is in this, which is sold at the price of like 80,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees, 70,000 rupees, 1,50,000, and for if you really want to do the degree, we need to pay really around 4 lakhs. So price is the very biggest pain point for the people, and lack of confidence. Can I become a data scientist? I'm an average student. I'm a poor at studying. Can I become a data scientist? Lack of confidence. That is the second point. And third point, will I earn a lot money from by learning the skill? Will I get good payoff on by learning the skill? So earning kind of doubts which is running here. So vacancy, is there any vacancy? Are we learning a future technology? Are we learning a past technology? And trust, are we learning from the trusted company? And hesitation, so people used to have some hesitation, can I do or will I learn? So like kind of hesitation. So I hope you all agree to this point. Price, lack of confidence, earning, vacancy, trust, hesitation. But let us talk about the solution. How about less price course? Lack of confidence, how about learning mindset to achieve what you really want? So mindset coaching. For earning, how about high paying job? For vacancy, how about in demand job? For trust, how about learning from 17 years of product based company? Hesitation, how about transparent environment with enthusiastic community? How about these? Yes, we are providing a machine learning internship as well. So the people are attending here, these are all like normal live session, YouTube live session. But here you are not going to get internship certificate. You are not going to get complete source code, but it is going to be available for the internship, which we are going to provide at the very minimal price of 999 rupees. Already a lot of people purchase this machine learning internship at the 999 rupees. But yeah, this is the comparison. In the YouTube webinar, what you're going to get, but in the internship, what you're going to get. But even though, as per the commitment in the YouTube, whatever the sample document, sample source code I can give. But most advanced source code I'm going to give in for the internship, but I'm not going to hide the source code, guys. I'm going to be really more transparent. I'm going to be showing every source code to you. You can see and you can type it. But if you are internship participant, I'm going to be giving a zip file. That is going to be the only difference. And yeah, and we are not only providing a machine learning internship, we are also providing AI internship, artificial intelligence internship, where we are covering up with Python programming, computer vision, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, AI cloud, AI hardware, chatbot creation. This is going to be covered in this AI course. Machine learning is only for the machine learning, but this AI, which is covered up these stuff which I have explained to you, this internship, which also we are providing at the price of 999 rupees. And also we are providing a data analytics internship. Data analytics internship which covered the roadmap which we guys have gone through in the mind map, right? So the roadmap to become a data scientist. So based on this roadmap, this data analytics course has been created, which covers Excel, statistics, programming, data visualization, NumPy, Pandas, Tableau, and then Power BI, MySQL, and then MongoDB, machine learning and deep learning. Everything is covered in this 30 days course, data analytics course. Okay, this internship is also we are providing at the 999 rupees. Okay, guys, are you all interested in this internship? If you all interested in this internship, I'm having some very happy announcement for you. If you all interested, you just post I'm interested Sanjay in your live chat. So likewise, we are providing this 3 internships. So likewise, we are providing AI internship, data analytics internship, Python internship, and as well as this machine learning internship. At each and every internship which we are providing at the 999 rupees nearly, which is cost you around only 4,000 rupees. But I'm having a happy news for you. So there are a lot of people are posting that I'm interested. I'm having a happy news for you. Guys, how about this 4-in-1 combo? AI with Python, with data analytics, with the machine learning. So how about this 4-in-1 course? Okay, so I hope a lot of people are interested in this 4-in-1 combo. Definitely you are really hurrying that, okay, what is going to be the price? It is going to be around nearly 4,000 if you are summing it. Guys, do you know one thing? So what I'm going to do is, if you are going to purchase this machine learning course now, today, I'm going to be giving 3 courses absolutely free. AI course is going to be free for you. Python course is also going to be free for you. Data analytics course at the price is also going to be free for you, which is nothing but I'm going to be giving this complete 4 courses at the same price of 999 rupees. I hope you all excited and I hope you are really loving this. If you're really loving this, you just post, I love this Sanjay in your live chat. So you just start enrolling it, and once the session is completed, only 30 minutes, I'm going to be hold down this session, hold down this offer, especially because after the 30 minutes, I'm going to be turn off that link to get 4-in-1 courses at the price of only 999, because you are purchasing only the machine learning, but I'm going to give this AI 30 days internship, data analytics machine 30 days internship, and Python internship. 3 internship I'm going to be giving completely free for you. So totally 4 courses at the price of 999. If you really love this offer, you just post, I love this offer, Sanjay, in your live chat, guys. So the link which is going to be shared in the live chat, you just use the link to enroll for it. Okay. And yeah, so before that, let us continue our session. So let us go for the machine learning, guys. Guys, while talking about the machine learning, there are, as we already know about the AI category, right? So AI category, under the AI category, we already studied that based on the knowledge or experience, it is going to be transferred into data. From the data, it is going to learn and it is going to act. Right? That is what you already know. But here, same consideration, you just take that, how you are going to give the data. So from the data, it is going to learn, but how you are going to give the data. So based on that activities, this session, this machine learning is going to be categorized into 3 parts. One is supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. There are 3 parts. Okay, so supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. These are all going to be the 3 parts. Okay, so here I'm going to be explaining you. Okay, are you clear? So these are the 3 parts: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. These are the 3 parts where the machine learning has been categorized. These are the 3 types. Okay, guys, about that 4-in-1 internship for international participants, we are giving a separate Stripe link. You just use the link. For normal or within India, you can use the Razorpay link. Okay, so I'm gonna be revealing the countdown once our completed our normal session. Okay, so the people who really want to register, please register us soon. Okay, so I'm gonna be turning off the link very soon, guys. Yeah, guys, while talking about this supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement, so before that, I'm gonna be asking you a question, guys. You just imagine if your robot want to identify the apple and then banana. So you just tell me if it is an apple or if it is a banana. How will you tell this is an apple and this is a banana? So that is my question. You just give your responses in the live chat. Okay. So I'm having this apple in my one hand and banana in my one hand. How will you tell this is an apple and this is a banana? Just give your responses in the live chat, guys. Okay. So you just give your responses in the live chat. And before that, yes, guys, the people, yeah, so that internship is going to be given for lifetime, guys. Yes. And another main notice, the people who already purchased the single course at the price of 999, those people are going to be automatically upgraded to that 3-in-1 combo. Okay, don't worry, guys. 4-in-1 combo, sorry. Yes, we are getting the responses. Shape, color, size, taste. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful reply. So thank you so much. Sorry, it might be disturbing your ears while I'm clapping. Okay, yeah. So while talking about apple, there are red color, yellow color. Sorry, not yellow. It is like pale oranges yellow, and green apple. While talking about the banana, there are green banana and what is it? It is like there are some red banana and yellow banana. So color difference is also going to be there. So this is what the difference we have, right? And shape is also, that is a major difference. So the answer which you are giving here, right? Shape, color, taste. So these things, you know, these are known as features. Okay, so these are known as features. Okay, so the feature extraction, you know, so that is what the major difference. Deep learning, it will do automatic feature extraction. So that is what the thing. Okay, so supervised learning and unsupervised and reinforcement. I am going to explain that. Okay, are you all ready? Okay, if you are ready to learn this, because this is a very important thing, and don't think guys Sanjay is teaching more theoretical, and don't think like that, because this is a very basic fundamental. It is like a ABCD. Okay, so once this part is over, we are going to create a chatbot, and then from tomorrow completely we are going to have a hands-on. Okay, like 20% is theory, 80% project. Okay, so that is one we are going to be having here. Okay, so that is what we are going to have this. Okay, so now yeah, so let us imagine this. One baby is sitting in front of you. Okay, so one baby is sitting in front of you. Okay, so guys, wait a minute. Lot of people are spamming for attendance. Okay, I'm giving some around scroll. Okay, yeah. So you just imagine your one baby is sitting in front of you. Okay, so for an example, you just imagine that baby know how to read. Okay, just for funny. Okay, baby knows how to read, but the baby haven't seen apple and then banana. So how I'm going to train by using supervised learning is I'm going to take two baskets. One basket I'm going to write like apple, and the another basket I'm going to write like a banana. Okay, one basket I'm going to write like apple, and another basket I'm going to write like a banana. Okay, I have two baskets. And an apple basket I'm going to fill up with lot of apples: green apple, red apple, pale orange, yellowish apple, and half cutted apple. Likewise, I'm going to fill lot of apples in the apple basket, and I'm going to put lot of bananas in the bananas basket. Going to give that two basket to a baby. So what the baby will do? So it already know the reading. So it will read that basket was written as like apple. Okay, it is apple. Okay, it will take one apple and it will see. Okay, it is red color. It is spherical in shape. It will keep like, and then it will keep the another fruit from the apple basket. Okay, it is green, but it is really looking similar like a shape. It will keep like this, and then it will take the banana. It will compare with the apple. Okay, it is not like that, and it will keep on the right hand side. So likewise, it will try to learn from the labeled data. So supervised learning means labeled data. Okay, are you clear, guys? Okay, if you really clear about this, you just post "I'm clear, Sanjay" in your chat. This is what labeled data is. Okay, so supervised learning means that is a labeled data because you already labeled the folder and you are given to the baby. From that folder it is going to learn. For an example, if you are considering with normal digital format digital learning, I'll create two folders: apple folder, banana folder. In the apple folder I'm going to fill up with apple's images, only image apple's images, not even one banana images. And in the bananas folder I'm going to fill up with lot of banana images, and I'm going to give for the learning. From the learning it is going to learn and it is going to tell whether it is apple or banana. That kind of learning is known as supervised learning. If you really love this, guys, if you really love this, you just post "I love this" Sanjay in your live chat. This is what the supervised learning is. Okay, so this is what the supervised learning is. That is labeled data, where I have already labeled my data and I give for the training. From the labeled data it is going to train, it is going to learn, and it is going to get the knowledge. That is what the supervised learning. And unsupervised learning. While talking about the unsupervised learning, now I'm going to take only one basket. I'm not going to write anything in the basket. Okay, please come with me, guys, because I'm gonna be sharing very important information to you. So I'm going to have only one basket now. So inside that basket, I haven't written apple or banana. I haven't written anything. Simply one plain basket. Inside that plain basket, I'm going to put apples, bananas, apples basket, apple, banana, apple, banana. So likewise, it is going to be completely shuffled. Now I'm going to give that to a baby. It doesn't know it is apple or it is banana, but it will randomly it will pick one thing. Okay, now if it is picking an apple, okay, it is spherical. I don't know what is that, but okay, it is red and it is spherical. Okay, I'll keep in the left hand side. And if it is taking a banana, it won't know it is a banana, but it will try to compare with this one and this one. Okay, it is not similar. I'll keep in the right hand side. And then if it is taking banana again, it will check is it looking like apple or is it looking like a banana? Is it looking? It is looking like a banana. So I can keep on the right hand side. That is what unlabeled data. So you are not going to shuffle. You are not going to label anything. You are going to give the shuffled data by based on the similar properties. It is going to segregate the data by itself. That is known as unsupervised learning. Okay, guys, are you loving this? Okay, if you're really loving this, you just post "I'm loving it" Sanjay in your lecture, guys. So supervised learning means labeled data. Unsupervised learning means unlabeled data. Guys, if you really want me to repeat, I'll repeat because I am completely for you. Okay, I'm waiting and I'm just teaching everything for you. Okay, so if you really want me to repeat, I'll repeat or else I can proceed further. Okay, if you're really loving it, you just post "I'm loving it" Sanjay in your lecture. So this is what supervised learning means: labeled data. Unsupervised learning means unlabeled data. Okay, so now there are third very important learning method. One is third one is reinforcement learning. Okay, a lot of people are posting repeat. So supervised learning means, guys, I have apple images, I have banana images. What I'll do is I'll create two folders. One name I'll name it like an apple, and another folder I'll name it like a banana. So apple folder I'm going to fill up with lot of apple images: green apple, red apple images, pale yellowish apple images, Likewise, I'm going to fill a lot of apple images in the apple folder. In the banana folder, I'm going to put a lot of banana images. So what the learning process will do is it will take apple images from the apple folder, and it will learn, okay, so if these are the features, that is apple. If these are the features, that is banana. So likewise, it will learn from the labeled data. That is known as supervised learning. Whereas unsupervised learning means I'll have only one folder. I'm going to give the name like data set. So inside the folder, I'm going to put apple images as well as the banana images. Okay, not only, guys, another main thing, don't consider only the images. It might be a smell, it might be a taste, it might be a text, it might be a numerical data, it might be any data. Just for an example, I'm just taking apple and banana. So I'm having only one folder. Inside that one folder, I'm going to put both apple and then bananas. So banana images, apple images, everything is being shuffled. And learning process, it is not going to worry about it is apple or it is a banana. But based on the similar property, it is going to cluster, or it is going to group the separate data. So apple images separately and banana images separately without knowing it is apple or banana, just based on the some properties. That is what the unsupervised learning. Before going for the reinforcement learning, let us do furthermore interaction. Guys, how many of you people really love Tom and Jerry cartoons? Okay, if you really love Tom and Jerry cartoons, you guys tell me each and every day morning, once the Jerry come out from the small tiny hole, what it will try to eat on each and every day. Okay, so just give your responses in the live chats. So if you really love Tom and Jerry cartoons, I hope you can able to answer this. So what Jerry will try to eat? So that is my question. You just give your responses in the live chat, guys. Okay, so cheese, exactly, guys. Each and every day, Jerry will come out from the small tiny hole and he will try to eat the cheese. Guys, on that way, I'm going to observe, or I'm going to explain this reinforcement learning. Guys, you just try to imagine that you are a Jerry. You are going to come out from the small tiny hole. So what is the first thing you are going to see? You are going to see where the cheese is. If it is in a dining table, that is going to be your destiny. Okay, that is going to be your destination. That is going to be your reward. So which is on the dining table. The second very important thing which you really want to watch for is where the hell Tom is, because that is going to be the very biggest problem for him. Right? So where the Tom is, that is going to be its first, second observation. Because if Tom knows that Jerry came out and Jerry is looking for the cheese, that is going to be a great disaster there. So that is going to be the second observation. So what is your first task? Observing the environment. What is your destination and what is your problem? So observing the environment, that is the first task. And second task, what the Jerry will do, it will try to walk. Okay, it will try to do some action. Okay, so if the action is positive, which means if the action is towards the cheese, it will get the reward. But if it accidentally stamps Tom's tail, what is gonna be there? So it is gonna be really a great disaster for it, right? It can't even able to touch the cheese, right? So it is gonna be a greatest disaster there. So the house is gonna be like a war field, right? Yeah. So whenever the action is positive, it is gonna get the reward. Whenever the action is negative, it is going to get the punishment. That is what reinforcement learning. If you really love this, guys, if you really love this, you just post, I love this, Sanjay, in your live chat, guys. So this is what the reinforcement learning is. I'm repeating again, observing the environment, taking an action. If the action is positive, getting a reward. If the action is negative, it is going to get the punishment. That is what the reinforcement learning is. So that is what three types of learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Under the supervised, there are two types: classification and regression. I'll tell you what in a very later, because we are not having enough time. Okay, so let us cover up in the later session. But if you want to do the classification, like it is a water bottle or mobile phone, is it a mobile or mouse? Is it a dog or cat? Is it apple or banana or pineapple? Is it a lion or tiger? So if it is a fake news or real news, positive or negative, happy or sad or neutral. So if these kind of project, you need to go for the classification based algorithms. Whereas if you want to see what is going to be the price of the house around 2025, what is the stock price tomorrow, what is going to be the stock price tomorrow, and what is the land price, what is going to be the land price of 2025, and how many people might survive in the Titanic disaster. So where the values are in the number of values, then you need to go for the regression. This is what the classification and regression. And there are a lot of algorithms out there. So k-nearest neighbor, support vector machine, decision tree, random forest, naive bias. And it does not mean that this algorithm only for the classification. Some of the algorithm can be used for both the classification and then regression. And for unsupervised learning, there are some of the algorithms. Okay, don't think Sanjay is really running very fast, because we are going to do the project for each and every algorithm on the upcoming days. Don't worry. Reinforcement learning, there are a lot of models and a lot of algorithms out there. So these are all the algorithms, guys. Don't think like this is very hard. It is a lot of new names are there. Don't worry, because we are going to do project on each and every algorithm. Okay, guys, do you guys really enjoyed the session up to now? So if you really enjoyed the session up to now, you just post I enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, did you guys have enjoyed it? Okay, if you guys have enjoyed, you just post I enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat, guys. And don't worry, guys, you will receive the certificate. You will receive this a PDF only if you are staying till the end. Okay, so we used to take the timing based on your engagement and everything. So based on that, I'm going to be sharing this PDF to the people. So please stay till the end so that you're going to receive this PDF. Don't worry about it. Okay, if you guys have enjoyed it, you just post I enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat. And yeah, are you guys all excited? Okay, so before that, let us create a chatbot. Okay, so are you guys all excited to create a chatbot? If you all excited to create a chatbot, you just post I'm excited Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, are you guys all excited? Okay, if you all excited, you just post I'm excited Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, before that, let me reveal the countdown, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna be revealing some countdown to you where you are going to because there is gonna be the 4-in-1 internship, which is limited time offer. So I'm going to start the countdown now because I have already enough time, right? So yes, the countdown has been started, which is nearly 30 minutes. I'm just gonna be giving to you. Okay, the people who really want to register for that 4-in-1 internship at the price of 999 rupees, please register as soon as possible. So 29 minutes left. Okay, so the link which is given in the live chat, and you just click that link and use the time, guys. Okay, yeah, so special bonus, excited. A lot of people are excited. Wonderful, guys. It is really a bonus session, guys. Okay, because it is not in our agenda, because it is covered in the AI course. The people who registered for the internship, they'll create the chatbot in a very effective way. Okay, we are going to cover up a little bit, but we are going to create it. Don't worry. Okay, so yes, so I'm gonna be giving the part 1. Okay, so part 2 is gonna be what is it? I'm gonna be we are gonna be covering up this on the later part. Okay, so yeah, so let us discuss that. So first of all, let us discuss. Okay, so Google. Okay, so what you just do is, guys, you just visit this Google first of all. Okay, so first of all, while talking about the chatbot, there are a lot of ways there to create a chatbot. Okay, so yes, what you just do is you just type Dialogflow. Okay, so if you are having a laptop, you can use the laptop. If you don't have, don't worry. Okay, so yeah, sorry, Dialogflow console. Please type Dialogflow console and please visit this link. Okay, I'm giving this URL, guys. Okay, if you are having a laptop, you can try to practice as a hands-on. If you don't have a laptop, don't worry. You just watch this session simply. Okay, just agree this agreement and accept it. Yes. So you will get this page. Once you guys have got this page, you just post IGT Sanjay in your live chat. Guys, even though you don't have any laptop or whatever, so please don't skip this session, because chatbot creation is really essential. So definitely you can practice later once you guys have got a laptop, because you will know how to create a chatbot. It's really very simple. Without a programming knowledge, you can create a chatbot. Okay, guys, if you guys have got this, you just post IGT Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so guys, I'm just going to wait for some more minute. Okay, I'm gonna be giving the link in the live chat. You just click that link. I really want to do us like a do-a-thon. Okay, so please do that and wait for it. Okay, yes. Okay, I'm just going to wait for you guys. Please do that. Okay, so that we can proceed further. So I'm gonna be really showing that, like how to create a chatbot and those stuffs. Okay, so before that, let me congratulate the people who already registered for, or who already registered for this internship, guys, who already became the internship participant. Okay, I really want to congratulate those people. Give me a moment. Okay, so these are all the people who registered for the internship. You just see the timing countdown, which is 19th September. It is Razor Pay. It is not a fake or something like that. It is real Razor Pay. Just see here 6:34, 6:33, 6:32, 6:32, 6:32 p.m., 6:32, 6:32, 6:31. Just see here, a lot of people are already registering for it. I really want to congratulate for the people who registered for that for this internship, guys. Okay, so I really want to mention some of the name like Aziaf, Subham, and Vinod, and Pankaj, Anit, Srinivasan. So there are a lot of people already purchased this internship, guys. Then don't waste your time and register very soon. Okay, so the 4-in-1 combo, which is really a very limited time offer. The link which is given in the description below. Only I think it is nearly around 25 minutes. I think so. So 25 minutes left. So only 999 rupees, because it is not going to be given any time else, because single course we used to sell at the price of 1299 rupees and minimum of rupees of 999 rupees. But now we are providing that 4 courses: AI course, machine learning course, data analytics course, Python course. 4 courses at completely at the price of 999 rupees. So the people who really want to register as soon as possible. So the link which is given in the description or live chat, guys. Okay, so register for it and don't miss out this wonderful opportunity, guys. Okay, if you already registered, you just post I registered Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, just look out this. I'm just refreshing this page. Just see here 636, 636. We guys have getting a lot of registration, and don't hesitate. Can I believe that people? So definitely you can believe us. Okay, so don't worry, guys. Okay, so yeah, so let me back to this part now. Yeah, so if you really want to see that courses, so for an example, from where I can log in and those stuff, I can show that later. Okay, so yeah, so I'll show that later. Yeah, so please register for it. Okay, let us continue that chatbot creation, the last part of the session. Okay, yeah, so here we have this Dialogflow page where we used to create a Dialogflow. So what you just do is, first of all, you need to create an agent. So click create agent. So you just want to give the agent name. So agent name means what the name you are going to call your bot. I am going to call my bot name as Sanjay bot. Okay. So Sanjay bot, or let me give the name like Champ bot. Okay, but it is really difficult to pronounce, I think, Champ bot. Okay, right. So, but I'm just going to create a pizza bot. Okay, so I'm going to create this bot for ordering me a pizza. So I'm going to give the agent name like pizza bot and click a create. Okay, so please click that. So click a create. Okay, so please create an agent, guys. All you guys are following me. So if you are with me, you just post I'm with you, Sanjay, in your live chat, guys. Okay, so yeah, so we are giving some we are creating some agent. Okay, please follow me, guys. There are a lot of ways to create a chatbot, guys. This is one of the very easy and a very simple way. So that's why I'm just teaching this to you. Okay, so this is what the agent name. So we have created an agent called PizzaBot. Now, on the right hand side, you can check your chatbot. So whenever you are doing some changes, you can check your chatbot. Okay, so this is going to be your first day, guys. First part of the bonus session. Tomorrow, I'm going to be covering up the second part of creating a chatbot. So let us cover the first part today. So let us cover only the small talk today, because tomorrow we'll try to implement that pizza and those stuff. Now let us cover up only the small talk option. So guys, once you guys have created an agent called the pizza bot, now go for the option called small talk. Okay, so here there is a button called small talk. You just go for it, and here first of all enable the small talk. So just click that and small talk, guys. First of all, you visited this website dialogflow.cloud.google.com, and you just log in. You are created in your account. You just sign up. And once then you just create an intent. So you have given that intent name. So once your guys have given, we just simply go in for the small talk and we just enable the small talk option. Below, there are a lot of questions. So what is going to be your assignment? The first day assignment is you are going to complete this task. Just see here about the agent. There are some questions. So if someone is asking to a bot like, who are you? I am Okay. I am Sanjay's chatbot. Okay. So likewise, you can answer. You can give lot of answers. I am chatbot. Okay. I am bot. So likewise, you can add lot of answers. So if someone is asking, "Who are you?" So how old are you? So you can ask you can give some funny answers. Uh, Sorry, I am what, you idiot. Okay, guys, do you really loving this? If you really enjoying this, you just post, I'm enjoying Sanjay in your live chat. Guys, validity about the course is lifetime, guys. It is a lifetime validity. Register as soon as possible. Only 21 minutes left. Okay, register very soon. Okay, I am a chatbot, you idiot. Likewise, you can ask, you can give a lot of answers. The assignment is you are going to fill up these questions. Okay, there are a lot of questions, default questions out there under different categories. Category in the sense about agent category is there, courtesy is there. So that's bad, great. So thank you thank you to speak with me. So likewise, you can add lot of answers. So haha, so you can give some answers. So if someone is asked telling good morning, very good morning to you. Okay, so very good morning, and you can add multiple answers. Have a nice day. Okay, so likewise, you can add a lot of answers. Okay, so this is what we are doing here. So whenever you are completely filled up, okay, so it is not mandatory to fill up everything, but you can do this. Okay, so likewise, there are a lot of questions out there. You can fill up every questions, and don't forget to click save. Okay, are you clear? Okay, if you're really loving this, you just post, I love this Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so once you did it, you just click save. So once you save, you can check the chatbot from this option. Try it now. Just see here. Hello. Good day. What can I do for you today? It is a basic. It is replying automatically. I haven't given that. So I'm asking some question. Who are you? Okay. It does not mean that you just want to exactly ask in this way. So you can ask without question mark, with question mark. So whatever, it will learn and it will try to reply for that. Just see here. It is giving me the response. I am Sanjay's bot chatbot. Okay. If I'm asking the same question, who you? Okay. I'm trying to ask who you. Okay, so it is not recognizing. Okay, it's okay. So who are you? I am a Sanjay's chatbot. Okay, so you see here, sorry, I am a bot. So it is giving me a lot of different replies. Okay, so likewise, it is giving a lot more responses. Who are you? And if I'm asking, how old are you? Okay, so I'm asking this. It is giving me the reply. I am a bot, you idiot. Okay, do you guys really love this, guys? If you really love this, you just post, I love this Sanjay in live chat. This is what the first part of the bonus session. Please do this. Please go to this website, dialogflow.cloud.google.com, and sign up your account. Don't go from the organizational account, go with the normal Gmail account, and go for the agent. First of all, create your name, give this in this format. So normal small letters and uppercase with the bot, and then go for the small talk. Inside the small talk, you just enable it and give your answers, and you just click save, and you can check your chatbot by using this right hand side option. So if you really love this, you just post, I love this Sanjay in your live chat. And now, mindset. Guys, there are some mindset part is there. I think a lot of people are rushing for attendance. Guys, you all here to learn something new, right? I hope I am right. So please stay till the end so that you're going to get the certificate. You're going to get the attendance link to enroll for it. Okay, please stay till the end because you people are completely here for learning something new. So please stay till the end. So before that, let me cover up some of the mindset day, guys. Okay. So guys, why Sanjay you are wasting our time because you are consuming a lot of time? Why you are teaching this mindset? And I really don't want that. A lot of people have this kind of thoughts running in their mind, guys. I'm telling you, even if you are having 10% of skill set and even though if you are having 10% of mindset and 80% of skill set, you can't able to go greater heights because attitude and your thoughts and action is really important than your skills. Okay, so there are even in entrepreneurship, there are even some quotes. Even though that person is more skillful, more needed, if he is very poor at attitude, if he is having poor attitude, please fire them. There are some quotas there. So the mindset is the very important thing. Okay, so even though you can talk about the Sundar Pichai, if he is only good at skill set, he only might become a normal employee, but he is good at leadership skills, he is good at management, he is good at decision making, he is good at the innovation. So he is good at a lot of skills. So that's why he became a CEO of Google, and now he became a CEO of Alphabet. Even Larry Page, the team itself, they just given that role to Sundar Pichai, and they just told none other than you can able to handle Alphabet. So likewise, they guys have given that responsibility to Sundar Pichai. That is what the main thing we need to get knowledge about this knowledge about this programming mind. So if you are interested to know about this program mind, you just post. I want to know, or I am interested, Sanjay, in your live chat, guys. Okay, sorry guys, I'm interested, guys. I'm really sorry since I'm taking a little bit more time, only 15 minutes. Definitely, I'm gonna be ending this session within a 15 minutes. Don't worry, and I'm really sorry for that. Only programming mind, only 5 points. Let us cover. Okay, please give me 15 minutes to deliver this value to you guys. Okay, really, I know I'm taking a lot of time. I've given 90 minutes. I'm just taking more than that. So I've already told you, but anyhow, in the beginning. But I really want to share this knowledge to you guys. Each and every day I'm going to be sharing this knowledge, this kind of knowledge to you. Okay, guys, if you are interested, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. A lot of people are posting that I want to know, I want to know, I want to know. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. A lot of people are posting that. No problem. Thank you so much for your love and support, guys. Yes, I'm going to be revealing the 5 points today. The first point, success is the progressive realization of worthy ideal. Guys, each and every people's success is going to be different. Some people will think like, if I have enough money, that is a success. Yes. Some people will think like, if I got a job in Google, kind of top MNCs, if that is the success, yes, that is. If people are thinking, if I'm doing world tour, like adventure, exploration, so if that is a success, definitely that is. So success is going to be changed for everyone, but it is the progressive realization. So if you really want something, you need to realize each and every minute of your life. Okay, I also have a personal story to buy this iPhone when I'm getting very less salary. As a normal middle class people, each and every people will have that thought to buy make like Apple ecosystem, like MacBook, iPhone, iWatch, right? So yes, and each and every people, as a normal people, middle class people, each and every people will have a thoughts like to build a own house, to build to buy a car, so to buy a bike, so a lot of thoughts, right? So whatever the success, you need to realize each and every minute of your life. You should not change each and every minute. So you should realize each and every minute of your life to achieve what you really want, okay, which you really need. Okay, so success is the progressive realization of worthy ideal. That is going to be your first point. And the second point, I really need to consider this. Think big, guys. Always think big. Okay, whatever the thing, don't constrain yourself. If I'm telling you, each and every people should go for the high-end models of mobile phone, bikes, houses, anything. You should not tell like, Sanjay, I am getting only 15,000 or 10,000 salary or 7,000 salary, even though I didn't have any job. How can I own that BMW car? How can I own iPhone? How can I own the MacBook? Don't do that. Okay, always think big. So that's why I really want to reveal that second point now. Our past is not equal to the future. If your skill set, definitely you can consider your past. But if it is in your mindset, don't compare or don't constrain yourself by comparing with your past and present. It is not with your past and then present. It's about how much work you are going to do on the upcoming days. Okay, so don't consider your past. Always consider your present work, and you just focus on what you really want instead of focusing on what you really don't want. So please focus on what you really want, and always think big and don't constrain yourself. Even though it is a bike, even though it is a mobile, even though it is a laptop, even though it is a watch, even though it is a house, even though it is a job, even though whatever it is, please always think big. Okay, so that is what my second and the third point. Yeah, it is going to be your fourth point. If you are not filling your day with high priority action, your day will be automatically filled with low priority distraction. For an example, if you really don't know what you are going to do on the day, that day is going to be filled with Instagram reels, YouTube shorts. Yes, if you are a creator, it is really worth it. But if you are just a consumer, definitely you can swim in YouTube shorts, Instagram reels. Definitely you can go. But if you are not doing what you really want, and if you are doing only these such an activities, that is waste. But if you are completing that and if you are coming here, definitely it is useful, right? But yes, definitely we need to have an entertainment. Definitely we need to spend that time, but and also you need to complete that as well. So even though you are doing from morning 9 to 9 for Instagram reels and those stuff, after 9 you need to spend some amount of time for our productivity, some task which you really want to become, which you really want to buy, whatever. Okay, so if you really want to, if you are really if you are not filling your day with high priority actions, it will be filled with automatically filled with low priority distractions. And then fifth point, we will plan positive thoughts and we will achieve results, positive results, guys. Sorry, okay, so little few minutes. Okay, yeah. So guys, your mind is like a land where you can plant both a poisonous plant as well as a fruit plant. It does not mean that fruit plant is going to grow very slow and poisonous plant is going to grow very fast. Both the plant is grow equally. It is about to you what kind of thoughts you are choosing. Are you going to choose a positive thought or are you going to choose a negative thought? Are you going to choose a negative thought or are you going to choose a positive thought? So for an example, if you are a people like I don't thinking the people thinking like I don't have enough money, I don't have knowledge, I'm not looking good, I don't have bike, I don't have own house, I don't have financial status, I don't have good skills, I don't have communication skills, I'm not looking good, I don't have car, I'm not confident enough. Okay, my dressing skills is not good. So if you are a person who is focusing on that, you will receive that. Instead, same thing, even though you don't have these such things, okay, even though you are poor, even though you are not good looking, even though whatever, please focus on what you really want. So this is the very biggest alteration thoughts. Like, how can I think like, I want to more skillful, I want to looking good, I need a bike, I want to own a car, I want to own a house, I want to communicate with others easily, I want to start a business, I want to earn more money, I want to make our family to bring our family to world tour. So likewise, you just want to think what you really want. What you are planting is very important thing. Please plant positive thoughts. That's it, guys. That's it. Mindset session is over. Okay, so I hope you really enjoyed it, guys. And what are all the project you are going to develop? Yes, there are a lot of lists. I really want to show it in a Google Collab, but yes, time is we consume a lot of time, so that's why I'm just going to list down something. So first of all, we are going to be covering up in this 30 days. You are going to be covering up that category. So before that, or else let me do one thing. Let me cover or let me show that project from the course itself. Okay. So yeah. So the people who registered for the internship, they are going to get 4 courses, right? AI, machine learning, data analytics, and then the another course is Python, right? So under the course of AI, so there are 3 recorded videos. And under the recorded video, you're going to get PowerPoint presentation, mind map, source code, data set, everything you're going to get as like a zip file. Just see here on the AI. Okay, so let us cover first of all the machine learning. So then we'll go for the AI because you are going to learn this 30 days, right? Let us go for the internship on machine learning. Okay, so first machine learning and then AI, and then we have Python. And then we have machine learning, right? Data analytics. Yes. So first of all, let us cover up the machine learning, guys. The machine learning, we already know it is being categorized into 3 parts. One is supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. So under the supervised learning category, so first of all, on the day 2, we guys covering up with the Python, so which is tomorrow. And then third day, from the third day, you are going to see the project. Okay, just see here. Sales prediction using logistic regression, salary estimation using k nearest neighbor. So these are all going to be under the category of supervised learning. Okay, and then handwritten digit recognition, Titanic survival prediction, plant eye relief iris detection, digit recognition, classification model performance analysis, breast cancer detection, house price prediction, exam mark prediction, salary prediction, stock price prediction, height prediction, car price prediction, evaluating, and this one is engine energy prediction, income spent analysis, and then again income spent analysis, clustering plant iris, movie recommendation system, market basket analysis, web ad optimization, sentimental analysis, breast cancer tumor reduction by using XGBoost, and then COVID-19 reduction, which is a deep learning project, AI snake game design using reinforcement learning. You just see here how the project looks like. Okay, so guys, will you stay till the end? Will you stay? Are you going to attend this complete 30 days? Okay, if you are going to attend the complete 30 days, you are going to post. You just post, I will attend Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so will you stay till the end? Okay, this is what this 30 days project you are going to cover up. If you really want to know about the AI project, you will be really surprised. You just see here what are all the AI project you are going to learn if you are registered for the internship. So first of all, we begin with normal chatbot. So you just see here. I think let me show some preview here. So integration of your chatbot with your web server and Google Assistant. So if you are having your mobile phone with the Google Assistant, you can integrate your chatbot with the Google Assistant. So you just see here, I'm having my mobile phone. So to the mobile phone, I'm just interacting with my chatbot. So I'm just asking some questions, like talk to my chatbot. So I'm just interacting with my chatbot. So this is what the chatbot integration. So chatbot creation and integration. Okay. So don't be angry, Mr. Manjurul Islam Shaki. So definitely will be posting attendance. Don't worry. Okay. So this is what the chatbot creation and Python programming. And the third category, right? So first day chatbot, and second day, which is Python, and third day third day, which is the computer vision category. Just see here what are the project: moving object detection, face detection, object tracking, face recognition, face emotion recognition. So these are all under the category of computer vision. And the deep learning category. Under the deep learning category, real-time object recognition. Okay, so let me show that real-time object recognition demo as well. So this is what the real-time object recognition, image classification, hand gesture recognition, leaf detection, character recognition, label reading, attendance system, vehicle detection, license plate recognition, drowsiness detection, road sign recognition. So under the machine learning, fake news detection, AI snake game, natural language processing, title generation from the paragraph, which is tag identification, I think, speech and then emotion analysis, which is processing on audio, and AI in cloud, AI in hardware, so which is a bonus session. So real-time object recognition. So this was the demo. Let me show that demo as well. I think it is a little bit slow. Okay, it is a little bit slow. Okay, let me close that. Okay, you can just explore that. And Python programming, which is also based on the project it has been developed. And data analytics, which is covered up with the Excel. And then it covered up the statistics. And then combination probability, population, and then Tableau, Power BI, and then Tableau, which is BI tools, and then Python notebooks for data analytics, and then numerical Python, NumPy library, and Pandas library, data visualization using Seaborn and Matplotlib, and how to participate in a Kaggle competition for this kind of machine learning task and activities, MySQL databases, MongoDB databases, and then machine learning, and then deep learning, COVID-19 detection from X-ray images, tag identification using NLP. So likewise, we are providing this 4 courses at the price of 999 rupees. Only few minutes left. Okay, the people who really want to register as soon as possible. Okay, and finally, amazing gift task, guys. I hope you attended the whole session, right? So I'm gonna be sharing the link in the live chat. Just click the link. There is gonna be simply ask the 5 simple questions. You just answer those 5 questions, and based on something, I'm going to filter out some of the people, and to those people, I'm going to give another course, which is deep learning course, absolutely free. Okay, so please participate in this event, right or wrong. Okay, so we win or lose, just do the fight. Okay, just do the fight. Okay, only 5 simple questions. Try to answer it, guys. Okay, the link will be shared on the live chat, guys. You just click that and participate in it. So if you did it, you just post, I did it, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, this task winner announcement is gonna be tomorrow, and please use that of it. Okay, so yes, that's it, guys. And if you guys have any questions, please write your questions. And before that, so at the same time, you just give your questions in the live chats. Okay, and guys, what is the thing is, we are providing 4 courses: AI course, machine learning course, data analytics course, and Python course. And if you are interested, so if you are registered, you are going to get access for this 4-in-1 course portal, learn.pantechsolutions.net. So for this 4 courses, you are going to be automatically enrolled into this portal, and additionally, you are going to get a lifetime validity for a community. So Sanjay, what is community is? Let me show you. Okay, hub.warriosway.in. And so yeah, so let me list down step by step. First of all, you are going to get 4 courses video recordings. It's not only 100 days, it is more than that, I think. So complete video recordings of 4 courses you are going to get from that portal. That is the first value you are going to get. And second value, that 4 courses, whatever the project which has been covered, every source code is going to be given to you with the videos, support video lectures. That is the second bonus. And third bonus which you are going to get is PPT, PowerPoint presentation, mind map, PDF, data set, trained model file, everything you are going to get as a zip file. And then fourth value, you are going to get lifetime private community. What is private community? This is our private social media. In this event category, you can see our events. You just see here, upcoming event, Python for data science. Okay, and you can also see the past events. What are all the events which has been conducted? It is not only data science or those things. It is also covered up AI, embedded system, like soft skills like resume building, and then LinkedIn mastery, and then personal branding and entrepreneurship skills, how to create a website. So likewise, every coaching has been given completely for free if you are registered for the internship. Okay, so only 999 only is gonna cost you. So with that 999, you are going to get more value, guys. Okay, and time is very less. I think I'm going to extend for more than 30 minutes now. Okay, I hope a lot of people's voice is that right. So I'm gonna be expanding that. Yes, I'm just expanded furthermore 30 minutes now, I think. Yes, I just expanded furthermore 30 minutes, guys, because a lot of people posted something like I want to collect or I want to register. So I just expanded furthermore 30 minutes. Okay, so you just see here. So how to sell your courses? LinkedIn Mastery, 3 hours PCB hackathon, payment gateway. You just see here what are all the sessions which has been conducted. These are all the sessions which has been conducted on each and every Saturday. Saturday Zoom live Q&A session with new lectures, which is hackathon oriented, so which is the result oriented. So you can do with me, do with your instructor, and you can do us in a Zoom calls. So that kind of Zoom session is also going to be free. And finally, you are going to get 4 internship certificates. Everything you are going to get at the very minimal price of 999 rupees. I just extended that 999 combo offer at the price of 999. Furthermore minutes I just expanded. So the people who still registered for it, register for the internship. Okay. And yeah, so if you are really planning to attend in the YouTube webinar, so I'll tell you what are all the things you are going to miss out. So you are going to miss out the advanced source code because you need to see and you need to type. It is really a huge head pain task. And you are not going to get internship certificate, and you are not going to be part of the this wonderful community where you can attend a lot of sessions. And fourth value you are going to miss is you are not going to have the recorded, sorry, you are not going to have that like live sessions, live Zoom live sessions for Q&A and those stuff. Okay, if you are attending YouTube, I'm speaking about. But if you are registered for the internship, you are going to get everything, guys. Okay, so if you really enjoyed this today's session, you just post I enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat, and please ask your questions in the live chat. I'm gonna be giving the reply for you. And Chaitanya, Sanjay, yesterday I have registered. Will it get upgraded to 4 combo? Definitely. The people who already registered at the price of 999 for single machine learning course, don't worry, you will be automatically upgraded to remaining 3 courses. Okay, so yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting that I enjoyed. Thank you so much for your love and support. PDF, don't worry, we'll be sharing through emails. Okay, don't worry, guys. And if you guys have any question, you just give your responses in the live chat. You just raise your questions in the live chat. And yes, guys, again, I'm telling you, we just extended the time furthermore 30 minutes. The people who really want to register for it. Rakibul Islam, without having previous knowledge, should I continue this machine learning courses? Don't worry, guys. Each and every courses, each and every session which we are conducting is completely from the scratch. Even though you are from mechanical department, even though you are from non-computer science background, even though you don't know what is programming is, don't worry, because I'm going to be teaching everything from the scratch, guys. Okay. Yeah, guys, do you guys have any questions? Okay, if you guys have any technical questions or mindset regarding question, or if you have any technology related question, any question if you really have, you can ask. If I really know the answer, I'll give you the answers in the live chat, guys. Okay. We loved it. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Chaitanya, for posting that. Source code required to practice. Definitely, I'll be sharing the basic source code, but not advanced the source code. Okay. But for internship, you are going to get everything as like a zip files. Okay. Can you provide a report for internship? No report, guys. Manoj, please provide some other means of payment link. Okay, so we will be sharing both the links. One is for normal within India people, and for other countries, you just use that link to pay for it. Moral, can I pay afterwards because my bank server is busy? Okay, but let me check with my team, guys. But I'm not sure. Only 26 limits left. 26 minutes left. Excellent. Thank you so much, Dinesh. Guys, if you guys have any suggestion for me to teach, how to teach, or how you are really expecting, because I'm really here, even though it is a free session, I'll give my 100% effort to deliver the knowledge in a clear-cut, precise way. Okay, it does not mean that I'm just teaching by my side. You people are not understanding. No, it's not main motive. Its main motive is to give the delivering this free content for free is the people who are thinking learning AI is really difficult and expensive, only for the first benchers and people who are really rich. I really want to break that. So that's why we are giving free. But for even though it is a free, I'm not going to touch any hiding anything. No, I'm going to be completely transparent. I'm going to be giving every knowledge completely for free. If you are not comfortable with my explanation, if you really don't understand something, please feel free to interact with me, guys. Okay, I'm really your friendly mentor. Okay, I can give whatever you really want. Okay, yeah. Okay, so data gonna be MK. Okay, thank you so much, Khalil. Thank you so much, guys. Register for the internship. Only 24 minutes left. Teach little slower, sir. Kirti, your suggestion is noted. Definitely from tomorrow we are gonna be covering up with the hands-on. Definitely I'll go slow, guys. Monish, really, you are great, sir. We loved it. Thank you so much, guys. And please call me Sanjay, guys. Okay, don't need to call, sir. Please call me Sanjay, guys. Yamini, sir, will you teach? Please call me Sanjay, guys. Will you teach Excel? Actually, Excel has been taught on our data analytics masterclass, and even though we are providing Excel course separately as well. Okay. Okay, so Taj posted something. This is scam with extra steps. You can get these for free from many places. It's funny to see other only the questions which are getting answered by the host is regarding the paid courses. Not like that, Taj. I'm answering you. Okay, so it is not a scam. Okay, as I'm already told you, every value I'm just going to show to you. Okay, so only that zip files and only the internship certificate, only you need an additional bonus session, you can register for the internship. If you are not interested in the internship, if you are not ready to pay 999 rupees for this AI, machine learning, data analytics, Python, you can simply watch in the live session as well. Okay, it is not a mandatory. But if you are registering for the internship, I am going to give 100 times the value, guys. That I can assure you. Okay. Tejuk, I am blessed. Thank you so much. No suggestion. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Guys, if you really want to interact with me, you can interact with me, guys. I have time. Okay, if you don't have time, you can leave, or you can use the time effectively furthermore. But if you guys have any question, if you really want to ask with me, you can ask your questions, guys. What are all the machine learning algorithm used for cyber security to implement cyber and cyber fraud detection? Guys, it is based on the problem and it is based on the data. So for the certain data, different algorithms are there. Each and every algorithm will give different accuracy, different performance. And based on that, by tuning it, we'll find out the best model which is suitable for this project. So from that, you can choose the best algorithm. So it does not mean only this algorithm for this project, only this algorithm will give better. Not like that. So based on the data, so every constraint will change. So definitely you're going to be learning on the upcoming days. Don't worry, guys. Chris Bellama, this is my doubt. Why we use chatbot and what is the use of it, guys? It's simple. So if you are working in some company where it is having a lot of chats running, chats you are getting, so you need to deploy a lot of manpower, right? You need to give, or you need to put a lot of people to answer those questions. But if you are putting in a chatbot, so if someone is asking, please send the PDF material. So if I'm deploying in a chatbot, my chatbot will be automatically sending you that PDF. That is the very very great advantage. Okay. Sanam Ram, can you suggest a specification of your laptop? Guys, does any people have these doubts? What kind of laptop I need to have to handle this AI and all? So if you people are having the doubt, I'll have the separate session for it, like 5 minutes, not more than that. Okay. So a lot of people think, oh God, Sanjay is going to take another class. Not like that. So if you guys have those kind of doubts, you just post yes Sanjay in your lecture, guys, so that I'll be telling that kind of. I'm going to be clearing out that kind of doubts, guys. Enable slow chat, guys. If I enable the slow chat, a lot of people chat will be missed. I really don't want to do that. Okay, so that's why. Placement support, guys. I'm going to be sharing you the interview questions and everything on the upcoming membership. We are providing that placements as well. Okay. Yes, Sanjay. Okay, a lot of people are having the doubt, it seems. Okay, so guys, if you are having that problem, okay, so yeah, wait a minute, I'm gonna be explaining in the way of data science or like tool which people are used to work. So guys, a lot of people are thinking like, if I want to work with AI, okay, if I want to work with AI, I need an expensive laptop. Guys, do you know that when I start this journey, I have i3 laptop, i3 processor with 4 GB RAM. Okay, so don't think like if I want to run AI, I want to have high-end PCs. And even though if you are having normal PCs, we can also get help from the cloud, guys, because there are not of cloud services available. It is not based on your computational power, it is based on the cloud's computational power. I'm going to be covering up, guys. Don't worry. In the AI courses, we guys have covered that separately in a one specific day. That's why I'm telling you, register for the internship and feel the value, guys. So, first of all, if you are having the doubt, which is regarding Sanjay, what kind of what kind of laptop which I really want to have, right? So these kind of doubts which are running in your mind, right? Yeah, guys. So for an example, okay, so what is the thing is, first of all, you want to consider the processor. Okay, so please don't go for the less processor. If you are going to purchase the new laptop, don't go for the i5. Okay, so minimum please go for i5 processor. Okay, minimum I'm talking about. So minimum go for i5 processor. Okay, so please don't go for i3 and all, because that need to be helpful for your later usage. Please go for the i5 with latest generation. Okay, so please go for this minimum, guys. Okay, please go for don't think like Sanjay told only minimum i5. I'm going for i5 minimum I'm talking about. So processor, that's the first thing. And the RAM. So while talking about the RAM, yes, wait a minute, don't love this font. Okay, so these are all like a minimum requirement. Okay, so, yeah, so minimum i5 processor. And while talking about a RAM, please have minimum of 8 GB RAM. Okay, so minimum please have 8 GB RAM. Okay, so minimum 8 GB RAM, which is enough. Okay, but if you are having a 16, it is super cool. Okay, it is really super cool. Okay, I hope you are really loving this value, guys. If you really like this value, just post I like this Sanjay in your lecture, guys. Okay. Oh. Okay. So another question is there. Pranavi Sri, please give response, sir. Is the person you are teaching the whole internship? Yes. That complete 4 courses, which is taught by me, guys. Okay. So which is taught by me. And third requirement. This is a very important requirement, guys. Hard disk. Guys, still now people are going for hard disk. Even though it is 1 TB, please check. Please go for SSD, guys. Okay, even though it is 512 GB of SSD or 256, it is worth it. But please check whether there is a hardware slot. But initially, go with the SSD, guys, because a lot of people used to purchase their laptop with 1 TB, because I used to purchase with that like that. But you can put up SSD slot. Even though you already purchased, please check in your laptop whether you can put up SSD. Okay, so you can use only SSD or hard disk. Okay, don't go for only hard disk, guys. Okay, please don't go for only hard disk. Okay, so if you are having only hard disk HDD, okay, HDD, it is not that much good, you know. So please don't go like this. Okay, so please go for what is it? Please go for like SSD. Okay, so don't go for this only hard disk. Okay, so either only SSD or SSD with the hard disk. Okay, it is gonna be very enough. Okay, SSD minimum. I think 256 is the minimum. I think so. This is the hard disk requirement. And then if it is possible, please go for the graphics card is also really essential. And don't go for the AMD graphics card, please go for the Nvidia. Okay, Nvidia, it might be 1650, I think. Okay, so yeah, any Nvidia hard disk is, sorry, Nvidia graphics card is enough. Minimum I think it is 4 GB is enough, but if it is not affordable, please go for 2 GB, guys. Okay, guys, do you really love this, guys? Okay, so Vani Agujap asked some question. Are these all 4 courses accessible for lifetime? Yes, guys, it is accessible for complete lifetime, guys. Okay, so yeah, processor, minimum i5, so RAM, hard disk, and everything I just talk, I think so. Processor, RAM, hard disk, graphics card, please go for the Nvidia, don't go for AMD, because we need to install CUDA, toolkit, and everything. So it supports for Nvidia, which is super cool, which is super easy. Yeah, so I think this is fine, I think, guys. Okay, so I hope you really love this, guys. If you really love these kind of bonuses, and thank you so much for the person who asked this question. If you really love these kind of bonuses, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so yeah, so that's it. Can I get the recorded session for everyday class, guys? If you are attending only in the YouTube, the video will be deleted after 5 days. Okay, so 5 days, since the 5 days registration is open, the people who really feeling this is super value, please bring your friends, guys. Okay, so as we are learning a mindset, we are not gonna have any ego or anything. So we are gonna bring as much friends to our community, even though it is a free. I'm not talking about only the internship. We are going to bring our friends to this masterclass. Okay, so if you are going to bring your friends or your family members to this community, to this live session tomorrow, you just post I will Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so course languages, it is English. Okay, today's session PDF definitely will be sharing through mail. Okay, please wait for the mail and join in the WhatsApp group, Pascal, guys. Okay, please don't forget to join on the WhatsApp group. Okay, so generation processor, I really don't want to tell the generation now, because please look for the current generation. Okay, so yeah, so that's it. Is it necessary to attend the live session in YouTube if you are taking an internship? Guys, if you are taking an internship, you really don't want to attend the live session, so it's your option. If you really want to get both the 2 certificates, you can register for it, or else no need that. Okay, no need for it. Okay, guys, again, I really want to show that a lot of people are registering for that internship. So people who really register for the internship without any hesitation, register for the internship. Only few minutes left. Okay, so only 999 rupees. It is really more affordable. We are used to spend for movie ticket. Movie ticket is around 250 rupees. Additionally, like it is really they are just empty our purses by asking 400 300 rupees for simple popcorn kind of thing. So it is really 999 rupees. It is affordable. If we are not enough to spend 999 rupees for learning something, learning which is really going to upgrade our skills, which is really going to enrich your skills, we are not going to be capable of expecting more salary. Okay, because if while exploring this course, we used to spend a lot of even thousands, lakhs of rupees to get these values. But to make it to be very affordable, that's why we are providing these 4 courses at the very minimal price of 999. So that's why feel the value. You can also compare this agenda with anywhere else, guys. I can assure you that every courses which is at the price of around 20,000, 8,000 for only AI, 1,50,000, and PhD courses like degree courses like 4,50,000. So a lot of lakhs of rupees, but now we are providing at the very minimal price of 999 rupees. Very less time is there. The people who register for it very soon, guys. I already enrolled. What should I do next? Please wait for the email. You'll get an email confirmation within 12 hours. With the login access, learn.pantechsolutions.net, you can start exploring the course. Okay, please wait for minimum 12 course, guys. Okay, so Yogesh, please tell about any tool required to install one day yearly. So we can install. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to be teaching everything from the scratch. Don't worry. Please join in the WhatsApp group so that I'm going to be sharing every information through the WhatsApp group, guys. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So here it is, guys. Here we guys have gave. You just see here. Okay. First of all, you just see here around 7:17. We guys have got an order. So a lot of people are still registering for it. And don't waste your time. You just see here how many people are registered for it. Within today, how many people are registered. You just look for it. And it is really worthy enough. Okay, please don't constrain yourself and register for that. This Mac M1 chip is good. It is super cool machine. It is very suitable, guys. Okay, don't worry about it. Definitely you can use that. Muzzoli, Nicholas, kindly provide a little more extension for those of us who cards are not around at the moment. I'm really sorry, Nicholas. Okay, so a lot of people are posting that can't able to pay. Okay, I'm getting some of the responses. Abdul, sir, can you please show the Excel? Sorry, guys, I think I forgot to save that. I think I'm really sorry. I haven't saved it. So people who already know that information, you can share it in the live chat for that person. Okay, please help our community, each other. Meera, sir, after buying, I got only one internship. Don't worry, you will be automatically enrolled remaining to the 3 of the courses, and you just please wait for it, guys. Okay. So yeah, so that's it. You just see here, guys, a lot of people are still registering for it. And don't waste your time. 999 rupees is Indian currency. Yes. For Indian rupees, it is 999 rupees. For other countries, it is being converted. You can check it out, our international payment link. Okay. So I forgot to open that Stripe link. Okay, no problem. But there also, I think I suspect that a lot of people are ordering from other countries too. So you just see the confidence level. People are registering from other countries too. So register as soon as possible, guys. You just see here, around 7:19, we got 2 orders. So a lot of people are still registering for it, and few minutes left. Register for that internship as soon as possible, guys. So yes, I hope you really enjoyed, and I hope you really felt a lot of value today. And yes, guys, is there any other questions? Hello, Sanjay. Cards from Nigeria are being rejected. Okay, so definitely we'll be sharing the alternative link. You just share your information to this number. So I'm gonna be sharing this number. Yeah, just note down this number, guys. Support number. To this number, you just WhatsApp your information or your email ID. To that email ID, we used to share your payment link. And another rest of the people who really staying till the end, those people are really super cool, really super enthusiastic. Thank you so much for staying till the end. And the people who really still not followed me, you can follow me through the LinkedIn. My LinkedIn link, which is given in the description below. You just click that link and follow me through the LinkedIn. I'm going to be sharing some of the information through the LinkedIn link. I'm going to be sharing some information through WhatsApp groups. I'm going to be sharing some information through email. Please check your spam folders. If it is marked as a spam, please mark as not a spam, so that you will be continuously receiving an email of attachments and PDF materials and those stuff. And please don't forget to follow me through the LinkedIn, guys. My LinkedIn link, which is given in the description below. Whoever not created a LinkedIn, please create a LinkedIn, guys, because it is going to build your community. It is going to be really good enough to build your community. So please join, create an account in LinkedIn, and don't forget to follow me through the LinkedIn. If you really love this session, you can also take a snap of it and you can post it in the LinkedIn, and you can tag me by putting @ the symbol Sanjay, so that you can also tag me. I'm going to be giving some comments in your LinkedIn post as well. So that's all up to the session, guys. I hope you really enjoyed a lot. And yeah, still now I'm just seeing that a lot of people are posting that. Okay, Purna Sai, can I pay tomorrow? Okay, so wait a minute. Okay, I think we are getting some responses, lot of responses to extend the time for doing the payment. Okay, guys, based on your constraint, I am going to increase, or I am going to extend this offer for furthermore 24 hours. Okay, so I hope you're gonna be loving this. Okay, so yeah, so that's it. I'm going to stop it. And okay, wait a minute. Okay, so yeah, I'm just expanding your timing, guys. Okay, I just going to expand, or I'm just going to extend that offer minutes. Okay, so I'm just going to expand it to furthermore 24 hours. Okay, the people who really want to register, register very soon. Okay. Okay, let me increase the countdown to 24 hours. Okay, so I'm just going to increase the countdown for furthermore 24 hours. Okay, the people, I hope a lot of people really love this. Okay, if you really love this, guys, you just post, I love this Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, I just expanded, or I just extended the time delay furthermore to 24 hours. Use that off, guys. Okay, so I hope you really love this. Okay, if you really love this, you just post, I love this Sanjay in your live chat, guys. I hope you really love this time extension for enrolling to that course. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope you really enjoyed a lot. If you really enjoyed a lot, you just post, I enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat. And from tomorrow, we are going to be covering complete with like a hands-on. And for the hands-on, we are going to be do a lot of projects and lot of source code we are going to be covering up. And if you're all excited for the upcoming hands-on, you just post, I'm excited, Sanjay in your live chat. Thank you so much, Durga Box. Thank you so much, Jayesh Kumar. Do I need to watch the live session or recorded session? If you are registered for the internship, you can simply go for the portal. You no need to attend here. Okay, it's your optional thing. Bharat, thank you so much. I enjoyed a lot. Please call me Sanjay, guys. Please don't call me sir. And Akinola, thank you so much for posting. I enjoyed. Shruti, thank you so much. Yes, way too excited. Wonderful, wonderful reply. And please, any other payment link? Yeah, so we guys have expanded to tomorrow, right? So one day we are just expanding. So people who really want, you can you can use for it. Okay, you can use that. Okay, so thank you so much. It's really running very fast, guys. Naman Jain, hi, thank you. Sandhya, thank you. And then thank you, guys. Sir, where is the today masterclass session? Okay, it is postponed. What is ERP? Guys, I think I got some responses from my community. Guys, the postponing is not possible, I think. We are giving some time schedules with today's. Okay, so I'm going to give some time schedules for today's countdown around 23:55. So I got the response, guys. I'm really sorry for that. Okay, so the time which they guys have given only today, guys. Okay, so today tonight around 11:45 the part is gonna be closed. Okay, so the offer is gonna be closed, not what 24 hours. Okay, so it is gonna be only what is it, it is gonna be only like, okay, wait a minute, 4 hours 30 minutes. Okay, only tonight, guys. I'm really sorry for that. Okay, so the offer can't be extended. So only tonight. Okay, so only tonight is gonna be the last time where you can register for the course. So the deadline is gonna be today night up to 12. I can expand. Okay, extend the timing. So tomorrow there is not gonna be offer to register for 4-in-1 courses. I'm really sorry for that. Whatever the queries you have regarding this course enrollment or course purchase, if you are having any failed payment links, you can call to this or WhatsApp to this number. Please WhatsApp to this number 93608 Indian number. Just ping to this WhatsApp number. Whatever the queries regarding the payment failing. So to that number, we'll be sharing the alternative payment link. You just use the link to do the payment. And yeah, so I'm really sorry again, guys, for not extending that offer tomorrow after. Okay, only today is gonna be the offer ending. So that's it, guys. I think you enjoyed a lot. Thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you so much for your patience that you stayed till the end. So thank you so much. Thank you once again. And don't forget to follow me through the LinkedIn, my LinkedIn link, which is given in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and please bring as much friends you can to this tomorrow's session. Don't worry, because the first day is also going to be available. They can watch that video on the YouTube as well. It is going to be holding for 5 days. So thank you so much. Thank you once again. It's me, Sanjay, signing off. Until then, bye. We'll see you on the tomorrow's session.